Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can obtain the Tidal Stove and the Call of Whales Fashionwave event recipes in Heartopia. So go underwater and visit Massimo there, and basically he'll give you some some recipes to cook, and the stove recipe first, I believe. Then you're just going to want to cook those first and then give it to Massimo because he'll give more recipes if you go back to finish the quest, new tastes in town. So you're going to cook those first here. Make sure you have the tomato sauce, by the way, because if you didn't bring it, you'll have to go back to the to land and you'll have to cook the tomato sauce because you'll need it for this one. And then once you're done, you will receive all the recipes from Massimo. Then you can go back to the land area and you can then craft stoves and then cook more recipes out there. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!